In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email GitHub support effectively. Whether you're encountering a bug, need account assistance, or have any query that requires direct support, reaching out to GitHub support team can be your best bet for a swift resolution. Let's dive into the specifics so you can get the help you need without unnecessary delays. First things first, let's navigate to GitHub. Open your preferred web browser and type in GitHub's URL. Once you're on GitHub's homepage, you'll notice the Sign In button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it to initiate the login process. This step is crucial because in order to receive support, GitHub needs to verify your identity and ensure you're reaching out concerning an account or issue directly related to you. Subsequently, you'll be prompted to input your username or email address followed by your password. These credentials are the keys to your GitHub account, so make sure you enter them accurately. If you've forgotten your password, now's the time to use the Forgot Password feature to reset it. Once you've entered your login details, click on the Sign In button to access your account. Upon successful login, you'll be directed to your GitHub dashboard. This is your control room where you can manage repositories, review your projects, and access various GitHub features. But more importantly, for our current purpose, locate and click on your profile picture, often found at the top right corner of the page. This action opens a drop-down menu where you'll find the option to access GitHub support. Selecting GitHub support will redirect you to the support page, a hub where you can find documentation, community forums, and more. However, if you're looking to directly communicate with the support team, find and click on My Tickets. This section is dedicated to your communication history and support inquiries with GitHub. To address a new concern, you need to create a new ticket. Look for the New Ticket button and click on it. This action will navigate you to a form where you can categorize and detail the issue you're facing. It's important to select the most relevant category for your concern to ensure it's directed to the appropriate support team, thus expediting the resolution process. Now onto the crucial part, detailing your issue. It's paramount that you provide a clear, concise, and thorough explanation of the problem. Include any relevant details such as error messages, symptoms of the issue, and steps to reproduce the problem if applicable. This information is invaluable as it helps the support team diagnose the issue more accurately and provide a more effective solution. Before hitting the submit button, double check your ticket for accuracy and completeness. Ensure that your contact information is correct and that you've attached any necessary files or screenshots that could help illustrate your issue more vividly. Once everything is in order, submit your ticket and await a response from GitHub's support team. It's worth noting that response times can vary depending on the complexity of your issue and the volume of tickets GitHub is handling at the time. However, the platform is renowned for its supportive community and robust support system, so rest assured that your query will be addressed. While waiting for a response, consider browsing GitHub's extensive documentation and community forums. Often you'll find that your question or a similar issue has already been addressed, providing you with immediate insights and solutions. This proactive approach not only potentially solves your issue quicker, but also enriches your understanding of GitHub's functionalities and best practices. In conclusion, reaching out to GitHub support is a straightforward process designed to help you get back on track with minimal fuss. Remember, the clarity and detail of your ticket play a significant role in how swiftly and effectively your issue can be resolved. So take your time, detail your issue comprehensively, and help the support team help you. And that wraps up our guide on how to email GitHub support. We hope this tutorial has been informative and will help you navigate your way through GitHub's support process with ease. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy coding!